Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to send email to WooCommerce customers. This is incredibly useful if you want to keep your customers engaged, announce new products, or send targeted promotional campaigns directly through your WordPress dashboard. Let's walk through the entire process step by step. First, open a browser and navigate to WordPress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your WordPress dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your site, including plugins and email campaigns. Now that you're logged in, look at the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with additional options. From those options, click on Add Plugin. This section allows you to browse and install new tools that extend the functionality of your WooCommerce store. You'll now be on the Plugins page where you can see all the available plugins to add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. Locate the search bar at the top of the page and type in Noptin. This is a powerful newsletter and automation plugin designed specifically for WordPress and WooCommerce users. From the search results, look for the plugin titled Newsletter and Automation Plugin Noptin. Click on More Details to see an overview of this plugin and understand its features and functions. Take a moment to review what it offers, as this will be the tool that enables you to send emails directly to your customers. Once you're ready, click on Install Now. The installation might take a little while to finish, so be patient and let the process complete. Once the installation is done, you'll see a button that says Activate. Click on it to enable the plugin on your site. Once the plugin is activated, you'll notice that a new menu option called Noptin has been added to your left navigation panel. Click on it to access the plugin's features. From the expanded menu, select Email Campaigns. This is where you'll create and manage all your email marketing efforts. On the Email Campaigns page, click on New Campaign to start building your first email. You'll be prompted to choose who you want to send the email to. From the Send To option, select Specific People. This allows you to target a defined group rather than sending a blanket email to everyone. Next, you'll be presented with a selection of email campaign templates. While some of these templates look great, most of them aren't free. For now, we can stick with the default blank option, which gives you a clean slate to work from. Click on Select to proceed with the blank template. Now here's the important part. To send emails specifically to all WooCommerce customers, look at the right side panel of your screen. From the Send To drop-down menu, select WooCommerce customers. However, it's worth noting that this option actually requires a premium subscription to be available. So if you want to proceed with sending targeted emails to your customer base, you'll need to consider subscribing to Noptin's premium plan. This is the most straightforward process for sending emails directly to your WooCommerce customers. And once you have the premium plan, you'll have full access to this feature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.